If you're in the market for a really sharp 7-passenger third-row seat SUV that won't break the bank, this one's for you. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, and today I'd like to show you this absolutely gorgeous 2023 Kia Sorento S. Beautiful vehicle, great equipment, local trade-in. Around back, rear park assist sensors, ample cargo room, even with that third-row seat folded up. Backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler. 18-inch alloy wheels with a great set of Continental tires. Ample 3-across seating in the second row. 2 more in the third row for that total of 7-passenger capability. Rear USB ports in the back of the seats, rear heating and air vents, another USB port, and a 12-volt outlet. It's glacier white pearl with black leather interior. Factory roof rack, tinted windows, color key door handles, contrasting black mirror caps with LED turn signals. LED daytime running lights, LED headlights. Just as clean inside as it is out. It's equipped with passive keyless entry. Perforated leather bucket seats, power seat, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, blind spot monitor, lane keep, traction control, automatic headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, audio controls, Bluetooth, trip computer functions, and cruise. Only 21,000 well cared for miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, navigation, backup camera, dual zone climate control, heated seats, driver and passenger, more USB ports, factory wireless inductive cell phone charging, console shifter, keyless entry key fob, including remote start, factory owner's manual, and Carfax vehicle history report. If you'd like to know more about this 2023 Kia Sorento S, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.